Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. That's fine. That way I can kind of see how it looks in the box. Is it? Oh, the trunk's hitting it.
Yeah, it's always stuck.
Oh, okay, we'll go look at yeah. You're good. Oh, your car's low.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I had to put some rims on to make it go low.
Yes, sir. So what's your name? What's in here, man?
My name's Kash.
Okay.
This is it, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So what all's in here, man?
It's a 15 and a 2000K store.
Single amp or single sub?
Single sub, yeah.
Okay. What kind of subwoofer amplifier? The Scar 2K?
Yeah, store.
Okay. I don't mean to climb over. I'm just trying to look. Nice. Do you know what the box is tuned to, or is it sealed?
Sealed. Alright. No, you got to vent it. I don't know what it tunes, but I can always easily.
Okay. What vehicle?
On Chrysler Sebring.
Chrysler. All right.
Yeah.
Nice. Do you have any extra battery alternator upgrades?
Yeah, I got like 2 batteries. That's it.
2? Are they in the back or up
Yeah,
under
they're all in the back.
Okay. So that's what's ran to it. Got it. Nice. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. This looks good. Daily driver?
Yeah.
You drive it to work and all?
Yeah.
All right. I see you got some tweeters in the back.
Yeah,
Get a little more music than just the stock.
yeah.
Do you ever have any head issues up here with the flex or anything?
Nah.
No? Okay.
I ain't never really looked. I just really hooked this up.
Yeah.
Just to get here.
Okay. You like the show?
Yeah, I love the show.
We're at Ruckus and Chill 2022 Fayetteville, North Carolina show. If anybody watching is curious, so be sure to give them a like. What's your name again? And
Cash my way.
Cash my way. All right. JFC head unit. JVC. All right. All right. Demo time.
So many phones coming up too.
Are you playing another one? Go ahead. Yeah, do your thing, man. Thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you. Yeah, man.